welcome to our channel, and today we are going to show you guys a very exciting thing, which is our dream home.
Oh, actually it's so cute. So basically today we're going to be sharing with you guys our new home, the home that we're going to be living in after we get married. It's been in the working for a while. Obviously finally we're sharing it with you guys, and I think let's get started.
Yeah.
And we are here.
So we have made it to our new house. I think we should start with an empty house too.
Yeah, let's do it. So I think since मेरे घर का empty house tour मैंने दिया है, why don't you give ये घर का empty house tour?
I'll try. Okay, so this is a 3 BHK flat. This is the main door from where you enter. There's a passage area. Then to the right, there's the dining area with the kitchen. And kitchen का plan as of now is to make it an open kitchen. ये पूरा ऐसा तोड़ के it's just going to be like one unit. यहाँ पे dining table आएगा. Then this is the main living area. यहाँ पे sofa, chairs, all of that with the TV and everything. Then we have the balcony right there, which is my favorite part of the house.
Yeah.
Quickly I'll show you guys the kitchen. ये सब जो भी है ये सब we are going to make it a new thing. ये सब टूटने वाला है.
Black will go.
Obviously.
White will
Maddie
come.
can't stay in a black house. So ये पूरा white होगा and सब अभी लगना बाकी है. This is the kitchen. Then moving on to the bedrooms. The first bedroom, which is going to be our bedroom now. Let's go. So this is going to be our room. यहाँ पे अभी बाकी है कहाँ पे क्या जाएगा plan करना. This is the joint washroom.
ये भी पूरा नया बनेगा.
क्योंकि ये tiles obviously मैडी को तो पसंद आएंगे नहीं. Then moving on to my left is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. As you can see. Yes. काफ़ी spacious, काफ़ी ज़्यादा airy and काफ़ी ज़्यादा light भी है. And then this is the last bedroom that we have here.
That's the common washroom.
Yeah. Basically this room has the best view, like it has a proper sunset view. And yeah, this is the third room.
And that was our mini house tour. Audio is not going to be the best. It's very echoey. Bear with us for this video. I know you guys are going to have a lot of questions about how I'm going to be staying, with whom I'm going to be staying, who the other 2 bedrooms are for. वो सारे questions we'll just answer in a little bit, along with what we're doing for a bedroom, how the decor of the house is going to be. वो सब we'll answer the questions. एक बार घर जाते हैं, यहाँ पे बहुत गर्म है. We literally just came here to show you guys around. Let's go home quickly and talk about everything. Okay, so it is the next day. We spent the whole of yesterday figuring out what we wanted to come to a
Mutual conclusion. Yes.
इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं था. मुझे लगा थोड़े झगड़े वगड़े होंगे, बट ऐसा कुछ इतना
ज़्यादा
कुछ
नहीं,
हुआ. थोड़ा सा like disagreement हुआ, but I feel like we're on the same ground somewhat right now. So basically what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna be talking you guys through a few inspo pics that we've shortlisted, the colors that we've shortlisted, our requirements and stuff like that for the new bedroom. We're not talking about the entire house, by the way, as of now. Yeah, maybe later. I feel like right now our focus anyway is the bedroom, because that's what is gonna be fully decided by just us two.
And it's going to take the most amount of time as well.
Yeah, the bedroom and the bathroom also, both the things. So that's what we're going to be discussing. Let's start with our requirements. So obvious things मैं नहीं बोलने वाली, जैसे बेड चाहिए, कबर्ड चाहिए, वैसे सब नहीं. हमने थोड़े यूनिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स लिखे हैं, जैसे हमें हिडन मेन डोर और बाथरूम डोर चाहिए. सो आजकल ऐसा एक ट्रेंड है wherein the door kind of disappears into the wall.
So you can't make out which is the door and which is the wall.
Yeah, so that's what we're trying to do with our bedroom and bathroom doors.
Second one, we want like a chair plus a poof seating area near the window side, so we can just sit and watch the sunset from the window.
That's a basic one, but हाँ वो एक है. फिर हमें storage चाहिए headboard के अंदर. So basically our room, as you guys might have seen in the empty house tour अभी पहले, our room isn't very big. It's like a Mumbai standard के हिसाब से cute bedroom, but we're trying to utilize a lot of space and have more walking space. बहुत ही cluttered नहीं करना है. तो हम headboards में भी सोच रहे, sorry headboards नहीं, sorry side table सोच रहे ditch कर दे हम all together. So we're trying to figure out if there's a way of getting storage in the headboard of the bed.
Next, for the wardrobes, we are thinking of having like a sliding door wardrobe rather than a opening one, because obviously that will take up more space.
Okay. Acha, okay, you wanted it because of space angle.
Yeah, matlab, if you open it, it takes more space rather than a sliding one.
Correct. Then I want a full length mirror, obviously, and flooring change करना ये लिखा है हमने.
आइडियली मतलब वी कैन
Even
फिगर
of
आउट.
the bedroom,
बाथरूम का तो कर ही रहे,
हाँ.
बट बेडरूम का मे बी विल टेक अ कॉल.
yeah, we'll most probably will be doing veneer. We're not changing
हाँ,
tiles, that is
veneer
for
नहीं,
sure.
vinyl flooring.
Vinyl flooring, sorry, vinyl करने वाले हैं. But yeah, ये हमारे basic requirements है. अभी let's move on to the interesting part and share with you guys some shortlisted references.
Yes.
So we've made a Pinterest board. Obviously, I think let's start with the design that I like the most, but Aditya is not very keen about it. So I like how there's like storage above the bed, and there are like shelves. So if I want to like shoot a video, it can be like decorated, cute, and in general also I like it to look pretty, right? So it has a lot of storage. अपना side table भी अंदर ही है, kind of headboard में, not really but kind of. बट ये आदित्य को बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है.
बिल्कुल मतलब थोड़ा ज्यादा जगह लेगा बिकॉज ऑफ द साइड टेबल्स दैट आर कमिंग आउट. थोड़ा जगह ज्यादा जाएगा इसमें. करेक्ट.
एंड आल्सो ही थिंक्स कि सर पे ऊपर से कुछ गिरेगा.
वो तेरा है, मेरा नहीं.
But you are always the one who says stuff like that.
Because I know how clumsy you are.
Anyway, so that is one option. We have a few variations of that same design. There's another one that I again really liked, Aditya did not like. It's where the side table is connected to the wardrobe. And it also kind of becomes a desk. It's like all in one. Like it's a cute little nook in the corner.
I don't like it basically क्योंकि already the room is not that big. So अगर एक साइड टेबल अलग से रहेगा तो यू कैन मूव इट आउट एंड अगर नहीं चाहिए तो वो बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. ये फिक्स हो जाता है
साइड टेबल लाइफ में.
अगर तुझे जगह चाहिए या कुछ वहाँ पे ये करना है तो मूविंग स्पेस और हो जाता है ना. वो फिक्स मतलब वहाँ पे हो गया वो फिक्स, कुछ उसका कर नहीं सकते.
ठीक है, तो बेसिकली वो इज ऑल्सो आउट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. Let me just quickly show you the one that we have agreed on so far at least. Okay, so this is the reference. I feel like if we go ahead with this, we're gonna kind of copy paste this design.
Something like this.
Something like this. Wherein there'll be a wallpaper behind our bed, and then ऐसे एक U type curve होगा and storage. जिसमें spotlights रहेगा, right side में lights भी रहेगा और अंदर ही side table होगा kind of. Little difficult to explain, but just look at the picture, you will figure it out. But yeah, that's basically what we've come.
ये भी 70% final अभी के लिए, not 100.
But I feel like we're at least making progress. इससे पहले तो we had no clue what we wanted to do. Let's talk about the color quickly. I thought that color decide करने में बहुत time लग गया, but instantly color decide हो गया. So basically मुझे boho neutral tone नहीं करना था.
Correct, agreed.
क्यों तुझे करना था?
Room के लिए नहीं.
हाँ. तो
एक छोटा स्पेस है इतने के लिए इट्स फाइन.
फाइन, हाँ, ओके. तो मुझे कुछ कलर चाहिए था, बट मुझे पता था आदित्य वुड नॉट अग्री फॉर अ सुपर डार्क कलर एंड आई डिडंट वांट टू डू लाइक शेड्स ऑफ ग्रे एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. सो आई थॉट हिज फेवरेट कलर व्हिच इज ब्लू, but we won't do like a tacky blue, we'll do like a very pretty grey powder blue is what I'm thinking.
Blue में कुछ भी चलेगा.
Exactly, मुझे पता था. इसके लिए I played my cards right and we're gonna do like a very English color का blue. बहुत pretty है, मैं shades screen पे डाल दूंगी. But that's what we're doing. 95% is what we're doing as of now.
Obviously we'll update you आगे कैसे होता है.
So those were the only kind of updates that we have in terms of decor. Now we're gonna address a few questions that I feel like I have already gotten, and I know after watching this video you guys will have that in the comments down below. So we're just gonna quickly address it. दो जो bedrooms हमने दिखाए वो किसके लिए है घर पे, and also most important, is it just gonna be you and me staying together after we get married, or how is the living situation gonna be like? So please tell them.
So it's a 3 BHK house. तो first room obviously जो दिखाया वो हमारा room है. Next master bedroom is going to be my mom dad's room, and yes we are going to live with my parents after marriage. So master bedroom उन लोग का है and उसके side का जो room है मेरे grandmother के लिए.
Okay, so that answers the question because I had gotten a lot of those questions, so that's that. Another question, मेरे parents का घर अभी बन रहा है, so a lot of people were really confused कि how are you getting married so soon, and if you are getting married so soon, why are you investing so much time in that new house? Number one, वो मेरे mom dad का घर है, वो हमेशा मेरे mom dad का घर रहेगा, और just because I get married that doesn't mean I'll stop going there. Number one. Number two, which is the most exciting part, is that जो हमने आपको empty house tour दिया है, if you might have noticed, it's very similar to my parents' house. And that's because it's in the same building. It's just a few floors apart. The same building, the same wing.
We pulled an Adu mein basically.
Yeah. So Aditya's, tell them if you don't know.
So basically, Adya, my sister, she's married to Mayur Bhai, who lives in the same building, in the same wing basically as us.
Yeah.
So शादी के बाद she literally had to shift a few floors ऊपर. That is it.
Yeah.
Which is basically what is going to
That's
happen.
exactly what I'm gonna have to do now. So it's all chill. I'm still gonna be using the bedroom at my parents' house. I'll still come over a few days to stay at his house. I'm just kidding. So yeah, basically that's the whole situation. I hope that answers all of your questions. If you guys of course have more questions, leave them down below. We'll try to answer as many questions as possible. And also I hope you guys liked our video number 2.
Yes.
We wanted to like show you something very exciting to keep up the excitement. If you guys have like ideas, video ideas for us, please let us know in the comments down below. We're open to experimenting with content. Even Aditya is very open to like trying whatever. So whatever you guys want to see, let us know. We would love to do it. And that's it, right?
That's it, yes. And having said all of that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, subscribe to Mridul Sharma, follow us on our Instagram, follow Mridul on our Instagram, follow Simba, follow Skion, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
One
Very
take,
good.
why one take? Newly made content creator.
Newly made. अब भी तेरे मम्मी पापा ने तुझे बनाया.
नहीं, अब भी तूने मुझे content creator बनाया.
Yesterday.
तेरा है.
I think another video that we could do is do the love story वाला video.
इतना जल्दी थोड़ी.
तो कब करेंगे?
1 million.